For many of us, this is our first winter system of the year, and it is going to be an icy winter storm headed our way. We've got winter weather advisories in effect. We've got winter storm warnings in effect. The winter storm warnings are in pink. The winter weather advisories are in purple. This goes from late tonight through Saturday evening. Let's talk more about what we're anticipating here. The timing of this is roughly from 3 a.m. through about 4 or 5 p.m. on Saturday. This is about a 10 to 13 hour event for us, okay? It's not going to last that long, and eventually most of us are going to transition over to just rain by tomorrow afternoon. But the morning hours tomorrow are going to be very, very messy, okay? Best chance to see snow out of this will be in areas north of Interstate 64. Hot Springs, Monterey, Bluegrass, you're probably going to see the most snow out of this. It's going to be icy south of that, and it's mainly just going to be rainy into our far southeast for most counties. By the time Sunday rolls around, we see increasing sunshine. It's breezy with any mountain upslope snow showers ending at that point. Let's talk about precipitation types. Why in the world is this not going to just be snow? Well, the reason for that is very simple. We're going to have a whole lot of warm air aloft. Look, tomorrow morning we're going to be in the 20s. However, we're going to have that area near the surface that is going to be below freezing. Okay, we're going to be 29, 30, 31 degrees. While frankly, 6,000 feet up, we could be well into the 30s, 35, 36, 37 degrees. But you need to know, because of that shallow cold air that we have at the surface, any rain that we have is going to freeze on contact because those temperatures are going to be below 32 degrees. Obviously, when it's rain, there's warm air really from the top of the column all the way down to the bottom. And when it's snow, it's really cold from the top to the bottom. But again, when you have warm air aloft, that tends to create this precipitation type mess like what we're going to be seeing heading into tomorrow. Again, more freezing rain than anything else for us tomorrow, unfortunately. Let's show you our next storm system. It is extending from Minnesota all the way south towards the Gulf Coast. As a matter of fact, if you remember what this thing looked like 24 hours ago, it looked not impressive. Looks much more impressive now. Why? Because it's tapping into Gulf moisture. We're dry right now. We've got nothing to worry about here as we head throughout the course of the evening. We're going to, again, just be mainly cloudy. It's after about 2, 3 a.m. We're going to start to see the advent of some precipitation moving in. First zone to get hit with this wintry weather will be the New River Valley. Okay, then south side, and then eventually Roanoke, Lynchburg, and eventually the Highlands. So Saturday morning is going to be icy for a lot of us. It's going to be messy out there. There's no other way to say it. The best chance to see snow, a few inches, will be in areas north of 64. Everybody else, this is not going to be a snowstorm. It's not going to be a snowstorm for anybody, but the best chance to see a couple of inches will be in the Highlands, okay? Further south and east, it's all going to be rain. In between, we're going to see that ice in the morning changing over to plain rain by tomorrow afternoon. This precipitation really gets out of here by around 3, 4, 5 p.m. tomorrow, and then the rest of tomorrow night actually looks to be dry, with the exception of some upslope snow showers, which may continue into part of the day on Sunday, but a lot of that stays in West Virginia. Tonight, we're going to be mainly cloudy, going to have that precipitation developing after about 2 a.m. Overnight lows tonight, anywhere between about 26 and 31. Tomorrow, going to have freezing rain, changing over to rain, maybe some snow towards the Highlands. Highs tomorrow going to be in the 30s, maybe a couple of 40s. We're then in the 40s Sunday through Friday. We're dry for the most part Sunday and Monday. Monday night, wintry mix possible in the mountains before we turn over to plain old rain on Tuesday, and Tuesday looks wet. We'll end that event with a chance for some mountain snow showers Wednesday morning before we see increasing sunshine Wednesday afternoon.